Welcome back to another Nightingale Discord Dyno tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over how to create a leave message. You'll want to go to Modules and Announcements. Here you'll see different options: Enable Welcome Messages, Enable Leave Messages, and Enable Ban Messages. We'll be focusing on Enable Leave Messages for this tutorial. You'll want to select the channel that you want the leave message to send to. I have a message already, but let's work through it. You'll put the word user inside curly brackets to tag the member who leaves. Next, type out your message. I want it to tag the server name. We can do this manually or put the word server inside curly brackets. Let's look at the embed portion next. Note that you can only pick one option. I have one already, but let's go through it. In the Edit Embed panel, you can set up the embed just like any other Dyno embed. We'll copy and paste the text leave message, or type your own here. You can also add an image here if you choose. You would just post the link to the image or GIF you want to use in the image box. Make sure to hit save. Then on the main panel, hit update. Double check that the module is enabled and that leave messages are enabled. And there you go. You've successfully created a Dyno leave message.